So the easiest way to fix your network problems on the iPhone Air is to reset all your network settings. So if you have slight issues, like for instance, Wi-Fi, you can try turning Wi-Fi on or off, or you can go ahead and open up the Wi-Fi settings. And then you can either disconnect your current Wi-Fi. If that's what's giving you problems, you can disconnect it and then reconnect it. And if that's still not fixing your problem, check if you have the correct date and time. It should be set to automatic. So you can go to settings and then go to general, and then under general, you can go to date and time and make sure it's set to automatically detect date and time. Now, if you've done all this stuff and you still have some network connectivity issues, whether it's internet or mobile data, wherever, just go into settings, just go to the main settings page. So under settings, go to general, and then scroll to the bottom of the general page and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset. Now make sure you don't tap on the second option, tap on the upper option that says reset, and this is where you'll find the option to reset network settings. It's going to ask for your passcode, which you have to enter, and once you enter the correct passcode, it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to reset the network settings. Just confirm that, and that's going to reset the network settings. Now keep in mind that this will not reset your phone. It will not erase any of your user data. Your photos and videos and your other settings are intact. It's only resetting the network settings. Okay, so just give it a moment. It's also going to restart once it's done, and it's back on. Right, so let's enter the passcode, and our network settings have been reset. So keep in mind that this is going to disconnect you from your Wi-Fi network. It's going to delete any Wi-Fi connections you might have had before. It's also going to reset the settings of your provider's network settings. It's going to just reset everything back to default, anything to do with network. But as you can see, my photos and videos are still intact. All my other apps and settings are still intact. This is not a factory reset. This is just a reset of the network settings. So that should fix your problem, hopefully. Thanks for watching and good luck.